In the mobile galley, thermal efficiency is a matter of power management. Traditional gas systems lose over 50% of their energy to the environment. Induction targets the molecules directly. At Wade Media Labs, we launched a power flux analysis of the Duxtop 1800 watt system. We analyzed its electromagnetic coupling, cooling fan decibel loading, and duty cycle stability. We audited the power flux density. By utilizing high-frequency oscillating magnetic fields, the Duxtop achieves a 90% energy transfer rate, effectively turning the cookware itself into the primary heating element. Managing internal heat is a mechanical requirement. We audited the chassis airflow, looking for thermal sequestration that prevents the localized heat of the glass surface from compromising the internal IGBT power transistors. We measured pulse width modulation. High-performance induction requires a stable duty cycle to prevent scorched proteins, especially at low wattage settings where inferior systems tend to cycle on and off. Our audit confirms, the Duxtop 1800 watts is a high-output utility. Its combination of a 20-amp duty cycle and a reinforced polycarbonate chassis makes it a verified asset for the mobile galley. Don't just cook, engineer the thermal flow. In the workshop of the home, induction is the only currency that eliminates the waste of the open flame. See the full power flux logs in our 2026 induction rankings at outdoorcookgear.com. Look for the Duxtop 1800 watts engineering audit.